Improvements to vehicle and road design continue to reduce the number and severity of vehicle accidents on our roads. Improvements are made through the use of new active safety technologies designed to help prevent accidents. Many goods vehicles are fitted with a lane departure warning system, designed to alert drivers if they stray out of their lane, and an advanced emergency braking system that warns a driver if their truck is on a collision course with a slower moving or stationary vehicle ahead. And if necessary, the advanced emergency braking system will even apply the brakes. In this video, we'll take a look at the DAF Advanced Emergency Braking System, which is a driver assistance system and is now standard on many LF, CF and XF models above 8 tons gross vehicle weight. The system, which is active whenever driving at least 15 kilometers an hour, about 10 miles an hour, is designed to first of all give a simultaneous visual and audible warning in the case of an imminent risk of collision with a slower or stationary vehicle up ahead, prompting evasive action to be taken by the driver. And then, if necessary, to automatically apply the vehicle brakes to either prevent a collision or reduce the speed of impact. Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC, and forward collision warning systems have been an option, and by development of this technology, DAF now includes as a standard feature on most models a full advanced emergency braking system. Legislation requires new trucks over 8 tons to have a system that will alert the driver in case of an impending collision and then, if required, apply the brakes. Though there are exemptions from this requirement, which include tractors and rigids with more than 3 axles, off-road designated vehicles, special purpose vehicles, and vehicles without rear air suspension. There's a great deal of technology involved with this system, but there are only 2 items you need to be aware of to ensure the system functions correctly. Firstly, the radar, which needs to be kept clean, especially during inclement weather or dirty road conditions. So, a quick wipe during your vehicle checks is a good habit to get into. And the grille should not be painted or obstructed by bull bars or light bars, for example. Secondly, the switch which disables the system. It's recommended that this is only used during operations such as being towed and during off-road driving. And should an advanced emergency braking system fault occur, when cruise control would otherwise be disabled, isolating with a press of the switch will re-enable cruise control. The advanced emergency braking system always defaults to on with each key on, for both convenience and safety. Okay, so let's now look at how advanced emergency braking works in practice. As mentioned, advanced emergency braking works continually when driving above 15 kilometers an hour, monitoring the road ahead. And when driving on adaptive cruise control, it also adjusts the vehicle speed to maintain a safe distance from any vehicle ahead. In the case of a much slower or stationary vehicle ahead, then both a visual and audible warning will activate. If there's no evasive action taken by the driver, then a short, sharp application of the brakes will occur as a wake-up call. The warnings will remain active, and if there's still no driver input detected, then the advanced emergency braking system applies full braking. But remember, do not adapt your driving style, as this is merely a driving aid with certain limitations. The system can't always prevent accidents, and it does not replace the driver's professional judgment of the actual traffic situation. It's the driver who is and remains at all times responsible for the safe and correct operation of the truck. So to summarize, keep the front grille clean and free from obstruction. Switch off only in certain situations. The advanced emergency braking system is a driving aid only. And finally, although this is impressive technology to help support you in your driving, remember you are the professional driver and understand your responsibility better than anyone else.